Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free snowman camera bag, this one, in Heartopia. You can get this bag for free by complete the quest about reach 60% progress in your researches collections box during week 5 research collection. So in this winter frost week 5, you must complete the research collections. You must complete the research collections box that located on your. You can find the research collections box in front of your home. This one, and then just click on it, and then usually you must complete the researches, the winter researches that will be asked, and then after you reach 60% or more, you will get the snowman camera bags automatically like this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.